Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe X Avani Gregg makeup collection. So you guys need to see this PR box. First of all, look at this first half here. Look at her. Stunning. I actually didn't find out who Avani Gregg was until today. I feel like an idiot for not knowing. I feel like this happens all the time though, to be fair. I always happen to find influencers who have like millions and millions of followers and I'm like, how could I have not have known about this person? But anyway, now I do. And this is the other half. This is like, it obviously, they came on top of each other. I don't know if they came on top of each other. Okay, let me wheel back here. Okay, so for starters, here is the makeup palette. This is the For the Bebs Artistry palette, and it's $30. Next up, we have the Baecation Luminous Bronzer. So there are 3 of these. This one is in the shade, this is the Baecation Cali. This is Baecation Hawaii. And Baecation Bahamas. I love that they included a bronzer for pretty much every skin type. This might be a little bit darker for somebody who's really pale, like this looks like my actual like skin tone. And this one might be a little bit too light for like the darkest skin tone, but I do really like how this has such beautiful gold flecks in it. It might be a really nice highlighter. Can you guys see that? They all have a really nice gold glitter to them, which I guess really just depends on whether you like glitter or not. I do prefer more of a matte bronzer because I do have acne scarring. You guys can probably see it on camera. I mean, I feel like anyone with eyes can see this. I definitely have like some indentation around here, and anything with glitter really just gets in those hollows and kind of highlights it and makes it more noticeable. But in the summertime, I find that I kind of go more for like a sparkly, like just like fun look. So I do compromise a little bit. These are swatches for the Baecation Luminous Bronzer. I feel like the shade Cali probably won't do too much for me right now as far as a bronzer. The middle shade would probably be more of like my summer bronze. I feel like it might be a little bit too dark on me now, but you know what? Let me try it. I do really, really like this shade. And actually, you can't really see too much of a glitter. I was expecting these to be really glittery. Yeah, this is actually really nice. I was expecting to just be kind of so-so about it, but this is a really warm, like, natural color. Well, natural for a bronzer. I feel like you can still kind of tell you're wearing bronzer. But maybe when I do have more of a tan in the summer, it'll just look like a sun-kissed glow. And just so that you guys know, I'm going to be diving into a makeup tutorial right after this using the eyeshadow palette, and I'll have all of the eyeshadows swatched at the end of the video. Oh, and those bronzers are $20 each. It's actually a pretty good price for their pretty big pan. Next up is the Whoa Glow Face and Body Illuminator. So it looks like this just comes in one shade and it's $12. Holy crap, this is like a Tin Man glow. Well, a gold Tin Man. So I'm just dabbing this on my hand. It's not really showing up on my face. How are you supposed to apply this? So it says that it melts into your skin while light reflecting pearls deliver the ultimate radiant boost. And it's saying to, I guess you're supposed to mainly use this on your body because it says collarbones, décolletage, shoulders, legs, but it also says anywhere. But I guess maybe it's just not applying over my makeup. And I don't want to risk doing it here. I figured I would just do it on my chin because I can just easily cover that. But I mean, you can see how this is applying right now. And rubbed in, this would look amazing on your legs. I'm not going to show you guys my pasty ass legs right now, but it does just give you that nice sheen glow. Next up, we have the Love Me Lip Duo. So this is a matte lipstick in Yes Red. And with this, I guess they come in a set. So this is the I Love Red lip pencil. And that is the lipstick beside it. This is very much a true red. It looks also like a blue base red, which is gonna make your teeth look really white. which is always what I look for. I hate a lipstick that makes your teeth look really yellow. It's just the worst. Next up is the Love You Lip Duo. So this is another matte lipstick in Don't Show Tell, or Show Don't Tell. Oh my god. This is a really pretty black. Holy crap. This is really interesting. So you don't see a black lipstick in pretty much any collaboration. And this almost looks like it almost has like it's like a dark browny black. Maybe my eyes are just deceiving me, but it does look like there's a bit of a brown in there. Let's see what shade the lip is, or the lip liner is. So this is the Before the Statement. Let's see. Right? That's like a dark brown, isn't it? Almost looks like a dark brown plummy shade, but like very, very, very dark brown. Like a subtle hint of plum. I wonder if they say it on the website. Okay guys, so it does say a bold black lip. Maybe the lip is black and I'm just seeing a hint of brown, but that pencil is definitely, I would say, a dark brown. But anyway, each set is $12, which is a great deal for a lipstick and a lip liner. Last but not least, we have the Lil Beb mini lip gloss kit. These are all the shades right here. I hope that you guys can see these. I feel like my camera's not focusing. So this kit is $19 for 4 lip glosses, and it says that these have max shine power. This first one is a see-through lip gloss. Looks like it's almost like an iridescent white. Looks like it'll probably be a clear, oh, yep. So it's like a clear gloss, but it has like blue and purple iridescent sparkles in there. This is the Perfectly Pouty lip gloss. So this is another sheer gloss, but it's more of like a blue and green sparkle to it. This is the Barely There lip gloss. It's more of a gold with some pink sparkles in there. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to summer shade. This next one is Yeah lip gloss. It was a really interesting shade. It's like a gray gloss with purpley pink glitter in it. Okay, so for the eyes, guys, I think that I'm gonna go in with the shade Bruh, which is this gray here. And then on the outer corner, I really want to go in with Mama's Fave, which is this forest green. And then I think over top of that gray, I'll go in with this silver topper. So this is Star Emoji. What do you guys think? I have like a specific vision in mind. I think I kind of want to do like an eye like hers, but with those shades. You know what I mean? Can you see it? Can you visualize it? Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Eye Primer. I don't normally use an eye primer, but I feel like I always get comments on my videos when I don't use one, especially when it comes to reviewing makeup, which I think is kind of weird because I feel like you should be able to use the product without a primer. I feel like that's the true test of whether it's a good product, but I'll go with what you guys want. I'm kidding. It always does obviously come up way better with an eye primer. Right, I'm just going over that shade with Inaudible Noise. I do like that this is pretty much an all matte palette, by the way, except for these two here are pressed glitters, and then you have one metallic there, which is the shade Laugh My Ass Off. It's just a really cool concept for a palette. It's not often that you see an all matte palette. Okay, taking that shade Mama's Fave. I'm just kind of mapping out this winged part here because I'm not used to doing this eye style. It's gonna be a little bit of a stretch for me. I feel like this is just like putting the bumpers up in bowling, you know? By the way, all the brushes that I'm using are by Maven Beauty. I'm gonna be intertwining through a few different ones, so I don't wanna have to say which brush I'm using every single time. But just so that you guys know, those are the brushes. They're very good brushes, by the way, if you guys are looking for a nice brush set. I mean, Morphe also has a lot of great ones as well, but these are just kind of my addiction lately. Should I have laid down the gray first? Probably. Or should I go in with the shade Seaweed? which is that baby blue. I think I might do that. I feel like that just might be more of a contrast to the green. This is a super, super light powdery blue. Not powdery as in fallout, just like, I feel like powder blue is a color, right? I guess just baby blue, but even lighter than baby blue. I'm just going to catch this eye up real quick. And I'm just gonna do the seaweed on there first. Make it a little bit easier on myself. And then I'll be back once it meets this eye. Okay. All right, now I'm actually just gonna take that same green and almost do like a liner type look here. And then I'll probably shade underneath my eye. I know you guys didn't sign up for like a full makeup tutorial or anything like that. So I'm gonna do that off camera real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so I kept my natural lashes. I just have some eyeshadow on there. I kept my natural eyelashes because I feel like it would just mess up the eye look, and I feel like it kind of looks good like this. I don't know, it's kind of chic. But I lined my lips, and I'm gonna use one of the glosses because, I don't know. You know what? Should I just do a black lip? Maybe I should. I don't know if I've ever done a black lip. You know what? That's a lie. I think I did She-Hulk, and that was a black lip, I think. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with Before the Statement, and I'm just gonna overline the line that I already have here. That lip liner glided on so perfectly. So smooth. All right, now I'm going in with the matte lipstick. This is Show Don't Tell. Ooh, this is really creamy too, especially for a matte. Kind of feel like a super villain in this lip. Kind of like Shigo. It does look very chic though. I didn't really expect that. Although I feel like dark lips are such a pain in the butt. So my problem with dark lips is that if you're out in public, I'm always scared that I'm gonna wind up bumping my lip by accident, or somehow it's gonna touch something and then it's gonna be smudged and I'm not gonna realize it, and it's gonna be super obvious because it's a dark shade. Do you guys think about that too? Also, you notice every single imperfection. Like, it took me like an hour to line these lips. But anyway, I'm thinking I might go in with, what is this shade again? The Ya lip gloss. What about that in like the center of this lip? Ooh. That looks freaking awesome. Now I feel like I do need a lash. Maybe I'll just do the outer corners. So I have these ones by Eldora. These are the M111 lashes. I already cut the first half of these off, but I feel like these ends would be perfect for this. Oh, real quick guys, I forgot to put on the glitter. Holy shit. I thought this was just gonna be like kind of a light topper shade, and it just filled up my entire pinky. Let's see how I can do this. Ooh. Oh, you know what? I have a little tool for this guy. Oh, this is cool. Wow, these lashes are literally perfect. So this is the finished look with the lashes. I really like how it turned out. I'm glad that I remembered to do the glitter. I think that's just like the perfect finishing touch. Also, I went to put green under here and then I just really wasn't liking the vibe. So I tried putting concealer over it. So if you can tell that it's like a little different, and it kind of blended out the green that I had in there, and it kind of looked like I'm covering up like a black eye or something. I really loved everything in this collection. I love this palette. I think this is definitely worth a buy. Look how colorful this is. Literally like any color that you're interested in, it has it in here. The only thing that I think this is kind of missing is a transition shade, like almost like a nudie kind of shade to put in your crease. But besides that, I love everything that's in here. I'm gonna swatch everything for you right now so that you can get a feel for what the other shades look like swatched. But I would say if you're gonna buy anything from the collection, I would say the palette is definitely worth it. All of the glosses I feel like are pretty wearable as well. Like you guys saw, they're more of like a sheer formula with just some sparkles, which is perfect for the summertime. The lipsticks are, a little unwearable for me. I'm just not a super bold lipstick. I'm more of a nude. So yeah, I really wouldn't go for those, but they're so creamy. The formula is very creamy. Even the matte lip, it doesn't feel like it would be over drying. Right now I obviously have a gloss over it, but it felt really nice when I was wearing it. It didn't feel like that super dry feeling where it was just like sucking the life out of me, you know? And I really liked the shade of the bronzer. I'll definitely be wearing that this summer. I think that's everything, right? Oh, and the glow. This is really great if you're someone who likes like a really nice body glow, especially, I keep saying we're coming into summer, but we are, like spring and summer. This is perfect to wear like when you're in a bikini. Like any kind of like illuminators like this make your boobs look bigger. You just look thinner and you just look more put together. Everyone's kind of like, who's that bitch, you know what I mean? But let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and make sure to give this video a like. That really helps me out if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.